What is up, folks? You got Ripper back from RipperReacts. Today we're going to do a little Christopher Cross for you. The name of the tune is called Sailing. Nice chords. Double neck. Oh, bass and guitar, nice.
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. It's not far to Never Land. No reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy.
Alright, so something about the wind, and the name of the song is called Sailing. So, he starts off with, not far down from paradise, at least not for me. If the wind is right, you can sail away and find something. I don't know. I'm gonna back it up, guys. I gotta back this one up, because, oh, and I don't know what the fuck I just did there. See that guitar he's playing? It's got a guitar on the bottom. Looks like a 6-string, and then looks like a bass up top. I can't tell if that's 4 or 5 or 6-string. I don't know, but that's a pretty cool, guitar bass double neck combo, in my opinion.
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me.
Not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me.
And if the wind is right, you can sail away.
If the wind is right, you can sail away.
Find tranquility.
And find tranquility.
Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see.
So sailing, that's his tranquility. That's like the way he relaxes, unwinds, whatever. It's obviously a passion or a hobby of his.
Believe me. It's not far to Never Land. No reason to pretend.
It's not far to Never Land. No reason to pretend.
And if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again.
If the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. If the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Okay, so basically he's saying, a little wind makes for a nice experience. He's going to enjoy himself, and he's going sailing.
Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it.
Sailing always takes me away to where I always heard it could be. Something like that. Yeah, it's like his getaway, man. It's his hobby. It's like going in the woods, really, and lighting a fire. It's just fucking tranquility, man. It's just a beautiful, relaxing. Sailing is nature. Just like going in the woods and having a fire is, you know what I mean? It's nature, man. Just like getting away from it all, so to speak.
Just a dream of the wind to carry me. Soon I will be free. Fantasy, it gets the best of me when I'm sailing.
Fantasy gets the best of me when I'm sailing. So, man, when he's sailing, man, he probably just fucking, his mind just probably drifts off to another place, man. Let me go back on that for 1 sec.
Fantasy, it gets the best of me when I'm sailing. All caught up in the reverie. Every word is a symphony. Won't you
All caught up in a remedy. Every word is a symphony.
believe me? Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it be. Just a dream of the wind to carry me. Soon I will be
Wait a minute now, because I just fucked up again. That is, in fact, a double neck guitar. I could see the strings. It looks like both sides are 6 string. But the top part of the guitar looks like it has bass pickups. But those are guitar strings, man. Those are not bass strings. So, anyway, I apologize for fucking that one up.
well, it's not far back to Santa Cruz. At least it's not from me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find serenity. Oh,
So you switched it up there, right? Okay.
well, it's not far back to Santa Cruz. At least it's not from me.
Not far back from Sandy, but at least it's not for me.
And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find serenity.
The wind is right. You sail away and find serenity. So, first it was tranquility. Now it's serenity, man. So that's just like fucking. It's a pretty deep song, man.
Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see, then you believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it be. Just a dream of the wind to carry me. Soon I will be
Alright, that was Christopher Cross with Sailing, and what a great song it was, in my opinion. I want to thank you guys for stopping by, watching the video. Hopefully you watched it all the way to the end. Please hit like and subscribe. Ripper saying, if you can't be good, be bad, baby. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.